Alright guys, what's up YouTube? Today we're gonna be doing a little POV drive into town with a mic'd up exhaust. Hopefully it performs well. I have no idea how this audio setup's gonna do. Hopefully my microphone doesn't fly off the back of my car. We'll see what happens. I've got my wife coming with me. She's gonna be recording and filming with us, so it should be a good time, guys. Alright, baby. I need you to be my camera woman. Can you do that?
Sure.
You sure about that? You up for the challenge? Alright. It's just supposed to be a little POV drive / vlog thing. I put a microphone on the back of my car. See if it'll sound good.
Is that gonna stay?
Hopefully. That's why I'm testing it out.
You might lose a microphone.
It's okay. I got 2 of them. So they should hear our audio inside the car and outside the car. Hopefully. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we just finished our groceries. Now we're heading back home, and somebody's in a rush, so we're gonna have to hurry up and get home. You ready to learn how to drive a stick?
Yes, sir.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Alright, let's swap.
Let's go.
You capping, bro. Capping. Still on. Happy. Hey, stop lights. Back home, so that's gonna conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Where should I park? Right there.
watching.